This is the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 Coupe AMG line, but no, it is not the facelifted model. Instead, it is a locally assembled pre-facelift one. This new variant is the last hurrah of the pre-facelift model, and this is the first time the coupe version gets locally assembled here at Pekan in Malaysia. The locally assembled GLC 300 Coupe replaces the fully imported GLC 250 4MATIC, and this one here gets the full AMG line package, as you can tell from the diamond grille, 20-inch alloys, night package, side steps, as well as the AMG body kit. Over here, you get the M274 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine in its highest state of tune, making 245 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. Drive is channeled to all 4 wheels via a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission. The GLC 300 will go from 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds onwards to a top speed of 236 km per hour. Although in here you don't get the updated and decidedly more high-tech cabin of the facelifted model, you still get quite a number of goodies in here, such as Artico leather upholstery, AMG sports steering wheel, Burmester surround sound system, powered sunroof, Command online infotainment system, as well as the AMG line package. Safety kit is quite impressive in here. As standard, you get the lane tracking package, 360-degree camera, blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, collision prevention assist, and attention assist. The GLC 300 Coupe AMG line is priced at 399,888 ringgit, or 46,000 ringgit cheaper than the GLC 250 4MATIC that was on offer previously. And that is a bargain if you ask me, because this car comes with a lot more kit, a more powerful engine, and cheaper price. For more information of the all-new Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 Coupe AMG line, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.